So how do you completely take out the private from Safari on iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So of course, the private mode doesn't save the browsing history and there are like different things, but you can make it disappear from your iPhone completely. The way that it works is that you go to the settings app of the phone, find the screen time section within the main settings page, and below we have the content and privacy restrictions. So it has to be enabled with a toggle because otherwise nothing else is clickable. But once you do enable it, go to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games. In there, another set of toggles or restrictions you can just enforce on the phone, but the web content, there's just one thing, and you are supposed to set it to either the one or the other limiting options, but just don't leave it at unrestricted, because if you leave it at unrestricted, nothing's going to happen, right? So just click on the limiting option like that, and you come back to the main screen time section, and we are not done yet because we also need to click on a lock screen time settings, because if you do not do this, it's not gonna make the private section within Safari disappear. So you have to make sure it's locked as well. So you set up a passcode. It's gonna be, it's supposed to be something different from the passcode used to unlock your iPhone. So it's a separate one. But once you create it and just go through all of the things which I've shown you, you can go to the Safari and the private tab will be gone. It might perhaps take a minute or so to take effect, but most definitely it will be removed and you can just use only the main Safari browsing tabs. Now, let me know in the comments if it actually works out well for you. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.